In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jotform action buttons. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow or enhance the functionality of your forms, Jotform's action buttons offer a convenient solution. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to begin by searching for Jotform on your preferred web browser. Simply open up any browser you like, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, and type in Jotform into the search bar. This will take you to their website where all the magic happens. Once you're there, either log into your existing Jotform account if you already have one, or sign up for a new account if you are a new user. It's a straightforward process, and once you're logged in, you're all set to start working on your forms. Next, open the form you'd like to work on in the Form Builder. Jotform's Form Builder is a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface that makes it easy for anyone, regardless of expertise, to create powerful forms. Within this interface, find the option to add a new column. To do this, look for and click the Add a New Column button. A menu will appear, and from there, select Button and then Action Button. This is where you'll be able to add functionality to your form with a simple clickable button. Once you've chosen to add an action button, it's time to select the desired action you want the button to perform. There are several options available, such as sending an email, assigning the form to someone else, or requesting an update. Consider your needs and what will be most helpful for your form's users. Whether you're managing a team or collecting data, these options provide great flexibility. After selecting the action, it's important to customize it to suit your specific requirements. This involves adjusting settings within the configuration window. For instance, if you chose to send an email, you'll need to enter the recipient's email address. Or, if your action involves uploading a file, you'll need to specify the file selection process. This step is crucial because a well-configured action ensures that everything runs smoothly and aligns with your intentions. Finally, once you're satisfied with the customization of your action button, click Add or Create to finalize its setup. This will incorporate the button into your form, making it ready for use. And there you have it. Your form now has enhanced functionality thanks to Jotform's action buttons. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials. See you next time!